I'm going to make the froster out of this bolt. So I've cut off the end already, and I've used my file to get a nice flat face. So this is the working surface. So we get that nice and clean. Now, you could do this on a grinder, but actually it's more accurate to do it with a rasp. I'm going to start creating a flat face here. Like so. And you can see that starting to come. And then I'll put one on the other side, then one on each side. So we're going to make this square using the file. I've taken a bit of trouble to get this square by eye, and it's tapering in a little bit like that. So this can go in the vise again. And the next stage is for me to put some cuts across the end. So that's just by eye. I'm dividing the two sides. So this is one right down the middle. And then I'm going to divide that surface, these two halves, again into quarters, just by eye. And then on the other side. So you can see I've got three like this, and then I'm going to do it in the opposite direction. So I'm dividing the middle. Get that right. And then divide that. And divide the other half. So I've got here 12 ends. Now, to give them a bit of shape, to make them into points, what I'm going to do is take my triangular file, this little triangular file, and just open up that groove. Another file here that might be better. And I'll turn it round 90 degrees and do it this way. And I'll keep working like that until I get nice points. So you can see what's happening here. We're starting to open it up. So I'll take a bit of care to get these equal. So I spend a bit of care with the triangular file, trying to get those four sides and the 12 points. So 16, did I say 12? 16 points all equal. Well, that works very well. I'm very happy with that. So that is a 16-point froster. But look at this. You can get, this is like a from a nail, that's just 4 points. So that's like one row of those teeth. I've got another one here. That is rather longer. So it's a long effect. Here's one that's 2 rows of teeth. And here's one that's just a little four-sided, in a little collection teeth. So the point is that all these frosters are made with the same file, and therefore all the teeth are the same size, so you can make these different shapes to go into different parts of the background that you're texturing, and they'll all match up. That's really quite important. This is a variation on the froster. This is a multi-pointed texturing tool, much more open points than the froster. You make it in the same way by cutting the grooves and then filing, but make the grooves really deep and bring them back like this and chamfer the teeth. So we've got 4 very strong pointed teeth to mark the surface.